Everybody knows by now that their phone is spying on them. If you don't know that, I don't know where you've been living. Your phone is definitely spying on you and sending that data somewhere. Nobody knows. Maybe the government, maybe the software companies, maybe the apps that are on your phone. 100% your camera is watching you and your microphone is listening to you, and everyone's had the experience or known of the experience where they've talked about something in the next minute, the next hour, or the next day on Facebook. It served them up an ad specifically for that really weird thing that they were talking about that they never would have seen an ad for on Facebook if they hadn't been talking about it. And that's because your phone is definitely listening to you. And we don't know how they're using that data, what type of a profile they're building on you. If you are in the bedroom and you don't want your phone listening to you, if you have your phone in your kid's bedroom and you don't want your phone listening to your kids or their phone listening to them, there is a tool that I learned about from Jason Christoff and met now the owner, Rick Ralston, who invented this technology called the mic lock. There is a way to put a little device into your cell phone so that your microphone cannot listen to you. And this is what Rick sent to us. We gave him a trade. So we gave him some glasses and some circadian lighting. And he sent us 2 of these mic lock packages, which I have not opened yet. And there's a whole starter kit in here of the mic lock itself. And there are generic mic locks you can maybe find from China and otherwhere, but they do not do what this does. So don't believe if you see something that's actually not a mic lock. He invented this. He is a technology guy. He lives in Kansas. And he walked me through like why this works, how it works, and how the generic ones that are out there that I was looking up a few of them, that they actually don't do what they say they're going to do. And there's a way to test it. So this is the starter pack. I don't know what's in here because honestly, I'm not super familiar with what's on their website. But you can see this is for like an iPhone, the older iPhone models before they finally switched to USB-C. And that's a mic lock. And you can see that some of them, you just put the mic lock in and it'll make it so your microphone cannot record anything. Now, there are mic locks like this Apple mic lock where you can put the mic lock in and still listen to audio through a mic jack. You can put USB-C, so there's some for USB-C here as well, that don't have a pass-through. So you just put this into your phone if you've got a USB-C. And now your microphone is no longer recording you, and you just leave it like that. Now, obviously, if you want to talk on the phone, that's not going to work. And if you want to listen to YouTube audio, I also don't think that that works. So you have to get a pass-through jack if you actually want to pass the sound through to your headphones. And there are other jacks. He's got like a whole bunch of different ones. You can see this one. You put this mic lock in so it locks your microphone, but you can also still power your cell phone, and you can still put your audio in there as well to listen to it when it's in your pocket. So when you're out and about talking or whatever, all that stuff is not recording you and sending that data to whomever it's getting sent to. I think this is a really amazing privacy tool. I've been wanting one for months, and luckily we were able to talk to the founder and make a trade. So we actually got these 2 kits, and there's also mic locks for your laptop. So if you want to stick a mic lock, whether it's USB-C or a standard USB, into your laptop as well and stop all the spying on you with these really spying devices that we bring into our homes and sleep with and keep in our pockets everywhere. I think this is an amazing company. I think this is an amazing product. I'm super excited to have it, and we can actually do a quick test. So if you want to pause this, I'll show you how we can test it. So let me show you how you can prove that this works. And this is just the one without the audio pass-through. So you're not going to be able to use audio with this specific one. So if you want to use audio, get the pass-through. But to prove that it works, there's 2 ways. One, you put in a YouTube video so our friend Matt
has this all figured out. If I'm going to lose anybody quickly and say this video.
Okay, audio is gone. Now, let me show you, okay, that's great, but what about recording, Thaddeus, right? So let's go to the recording app. So here's a recording app. It's just to record audio. So I'm going to start recording and you'll see it pick up the audio. So I'm talking, it's picking up all the audio in the room of me talking. I'm going to keep trying to talk as long as I can so that you can see what happens when I plug the jack in here and I keep talking. There is no audio when I unplug it. So your phone is no longer spying on you. As soon as I pull this out, it's going to start recording the audio again. So that's how you can easily prove that this technology is actually working and that the microphone is not stealing all your private data. MicLock, check it out. Highly recommend you go to miclock.com, and this is how you spell it. And I'm going to show you the web address here on the back. So mic-lock.com, and you can pick up your own. And our discount code should be in the description below. Also, we will be bringing these to all the conferences that we'll be at live, where we're selling our blue light blocking glasses and circadian light bulbs. We should have a bunch of these at our booth, so come to our booth and get yourself a MicLock and your blue light blocking glasses.